since I moved into my dream house, I've been fantasizing about decorating it for Christmas like the fancy old hotels that dominate my Pinterest boards. And since you guys know my specialty is decorating my empty houses with Christmas trees, note my first apartment back in 2016, finally it's time to make the entire Sky Castle my little Christmas wonderland. So without further ado, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, Sky Castle style. Hi guys, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Sky Castle Christmas special. I'm so excited to show you all the decor that I did. However, let me tell you, this took forever. So before the grand tour, please enjoy the loud noise outside. So before the grand tour, please enjoy the week of decorating. Time travel. Kind of iconic that it's November and I can have the top down on my car. Merry Christmas. Every year we come here because I love it. Oh, this is just the best Christmas store. Y'all already know. My favorite. Oh my God, I love this store. Look at all this stuff today. It's the best store. It's the best store. I know. I know. It's amazing. You guys know I already have these, but okay. I don't know what theme I want to do this year, but I definitely want to do something crazy, as always. I mean, it's me after all, but my God, this is the funnest store ever. Even if you don't like decorating, I'm judging you. However, you should just come here for the vibes. Just walk around. It's so fun. Like, do you guys recognize this is my tree skirt? I already have that. Oh my God, I actually have never done a blue Christmas. I feel like that could be really vibes. Like, look at how intricately these trees are decorated. It's insane. I actually really like this. This is beautiful. For my bedroom, this could be gorgeous. Like, look at this. This is so cute. I should just do this in the house. Like, it, make a polar bear exhibit. Look at this. Look. They just have the most amazing stuff here. Look at this one. Bro. Wow. Oh, man. This is just unbelievable, unbelievable, unbelievable. Truly one of my favorite stores in the entire world. And like I said, y'all know a bitch be shopping literally all over the world. Cue the shopping world tour, like, comment, subscribe. But yeah, this is one of the coolest stores in the globe, truly. Beautiful. Fun fact, you guys, it is actually still October. LOL, this is really what I should be shopping for, but I don't care. I say it's Christmas as of October 31st. P.S. guys, what's crazy is we didn't even go in the really cool part yet. Look at this. Bro. This place is literally unbelievable. Wow, this is actually a really cool idea. I love that. Almost like little Fabergé eggs. Nice. Big balls. This is my Christmas tree. Do you recognize it? I have like 4 of these. However, I would love to get a flocked tree like this. That one's great. La 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 la. And we walked through the Christmas tree forest all the way to the mall. The store really does combine my 2 favorite things. Christmas, actually 3 favorite things. Christmas, home decor, and overspending. Barbie Christmas. Wow. This is insane. I should do something like this. There's honestly almost too many ideas in here. It's like, oh, wow. Beautiful. Oh, God. Oh, I just love it. Wow. Wow. Same. This is me looking around the store. Hi. Oh my God. Just the details of everything. I should do this to some of my frames in the ballroom. Actually, could you imagine if I did this? Yeah. Look at this. They just have aisles and aisles and aisles of literally everything. Dun, da, da, dun, dun, dun. I actually think this could be great for something. We're gonna get this. Oh, these are perfect. Oh wow, this is beautiful. I just need to literally copy this. What do you think, you guys? I think it's gonna be fire. Not me just decorating in the middle of the store. Nailed it. This is an amazing cart. Okay. All right, it's gonna come up in a second. You almost ready? Who is this?
everybody.
Who is this man?
It's your favorite doormat.
I've never seen you in normal clothes.
It's me in normal clothing. No tacky suit, no nothing.
Wow.
It's
well,
me
guys.
in the-
George
okay.
loves Henry. So y'all already know
We're about to
stir
Christmas
shit
ready.
up. It's time for Christmas! And even funnier, we have everybody here! Hey guys! Julia's here, Kaylee's here, we got the whole sguad. You can see I already
What crazy shit
dismantled a
have we made?
lot. I know, we've already done so much. George, you gotta relax. So, guys, this vlog, if you can't tell, has already started out so crazy. Are you getting trained, George?
By 3 people.
By 3 separate people who aren't me. Good baby, I love you.
And single word commands.
You move.
Anyways, guys, so we're gonna go down to the storage unit and get actually all of my stuff. Field trip. The light is broken.
What?
I know, I'm sorry.
We are not starting off with that. great
Christmas
right now.
in the closet, Christmas in the closet, yay! So we have to get all of the stuff in the dark. Upstairs, do you see my little babies? Okay,
dears.
my little dears. I'm so excited. Okay, get to it.
That's good. Jesus.
I love them. Okay, yeah, this is gonna take 98 years, but that's okay. Round 1. While we're in the elevator, marketing, 333, you guys.
Of course.
And a pony! Woohoo! Alrighty, we wearing a wreath. Round 2. Oh, it's getting crazy in here. Oh no. Like I said, guys, this is still not even the half of it. Sorry, you have to be in jail while I put the tree up. He actually looks really happy for being in jail. Sorry, pumpkin, I love you. Fluff the tree. This will take a while, so I'm gonna cut out of this, guys, but. Oh yeah, it's looking beautiful. Everyone say thank you, Henry, for helping.
You're welcome.
We love you, Henry, thank you. He texted me and said that he had fans.
Oh yeah. Everybody that you know showed me love on the last video. Thank you all. I appreciate it. I felt the love.
Yes.
I felt love.
So everyone loves reading the comments, you guys, myself included. So thanks. Like, comment, subscribe. This video is so all over the place. I don't even know like how this is going. However, now it's the next day. I've just slept with all of this everywhere. Taken a few meetings via Zoom with this in the background. Oops. And now it's time to do the tree. So let's actually trim it up. Okay, so we'll start with the white one in here. Start with putting flowers all over to fill her up. Side note, I got these ornaments on Amazon. Aren't these gorgeous? Wow. Don't even ask about this. It was horrible. All right, George, I've wanted to do this my whole life. Yay! Okay, so for the garland, I am going to take this that I got at Walmart. Love Walmart. Gorgeous. 9-foot garland. Rip all of these off and re-glue stuff onto it. So I am literally ripping apart all of my fancy expensive bouquets and gluing them right onto this garland that I got. So you can see, just kind of doing a little craft here. Ta-da! Makeshift. Ta-da! You can see, I got a makeover. Now that matches my tree. Crafty. Also, how funny is this? Hilarious. Finishing this up, but I am very hungry, so I'm going to need to go on a break. But we're at the Cheesecake Factory trying pumpkin cheesecake. Right, George? You love it? The review is pretty good. All right, guys, so now we're gonna start decorating with my absolutely insane Christmas Swarovski collection. Look at how many I have. It's crazy. Oh my goodness, look how cute they are. Oh, I am just obsessed with these. Get those all set up perfectly. We also got a lot going on in here, by the way. The hot elf section in here. Hello. Hi. Hi.
Say hi, George. Are you an elf too? Hi. Okay, good boy.
We all look crazy today, but that's okay. We got all sorts of 333 stuff going out of here. So exciting. We got a bunch of new special holiday necklaces up on the website right now, by the way. Look at how unbelievable these are. Oh, they're gonna just be so great for all the parties. So anyways, those are now up on the website if you want to shop. Oh, I just love them. So sparkly. Gonna run these to the post office really quick. La la la, Santa Claus. I even have the robe and everything. I'm gonna take off the robe and bring these to the post office, but thanks for shopping. Oh, ho ho ho. Ex-boyfriend or Christmas tree? Guess in the comments. Okay, so we gotta put up the tree in the ballroom. Ay, ay, ay. I don't even know where I want the tree to go this year. Yay! Nailed it! Beautiful! Okay, so now we're gonna decorate the tree, which, I don't know, I'm just gonna kind of put stuff everywhere because I don't know what I'm doing. I always just make it up as I go, but looking pretty. My darlings, you look beautiful. Put a couple of other things up. Looking cute. All right. I think we've done most of this. Can't wait to show you. Oh my gosh, this looks so beautiful. But before we do the tour, do you guys see this? I finally, after years of wanting to, have designed an ornament. This is the little Christmas wishing star ornament. The whole idea is you hang it on the tree and you make a wish because you know my favorite quote, what if it doesn't come true? Oh, but what if it does? You guys have really made all my Christmas wishes come true all year round since I started this channel 8 years ago pretty much now, so make a good wish when you hang it up. So those are available on 333 right now. Just a little Christmas magic from me to you. And now the grand tour will begin. We got my sparkliest shoes on. Are you ready? Da-da-da-da-da. Are you ready? Drum roll, please. Beautiful flowers and the beautiful little pots. Huh? I love it. It's giving mansion. It's giving hotel. It's giving random housewife with no husband. Came out perfect. Okay, you guys want to see the inside? Oh.
You gonna take us inside?
Da-na-na-na-na. And you guys can see in the background. Are you ready? Isn't it the best thing you've ever seen? I'm gonna cry if I look at it too much. I already cried like the last 10 days looking at it, but my picture frame from Paris earlier this year and my Fabergé egg, so beautiful. And the Christmas tree, just magical. Oh, I love it so much. It looks amazing. You can see all the details of the tree. This just is so pretty with all of the ribbons and the flowers and the gorgeous gold ornaments. A masterpiece. Hey, hey, hey. What's up? It brings me so much joy you have no idea. Or I guess you do because you're watching this video and you can see me beaming through the screen. I love it. Oh, and the railing. Railing with my garlands on it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Georgie, do you like the decorations? Wow. You know, you win some, you lose some. Parenting is hard. Okay. So that's my little Christmas wonderland out here. And of course, the real star, my beautiful collection of sparkly things. Dun, dun, dun. This is my Swarovski collection, which I have shown many times, but every year I set it up a little bit differently. So you can see here's the little town. Oh my goodness. Nutcracker, beautiful ornaments, a tree and the train. And the top, I have the gold Swarovskis. I really need to dust here, but these are so beautiful, aren't they? Ah! Plus over here, extra fun. Oh my gosh, my shopping things. This is my little Chanel snow globe. Oh, it's beautiful. And my Tiffany's one, gorgeous. These are Danbury mint ornaments. I had shown these plenty of times in my videos, but I am just obsessed with these. Look at how cute. It's a harp, it's a fireplace, it's a little rocking horse thing. Absolutely love these. Merry Christmas. And of course the ballroom. You're ready. Oh. Dun 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 dun. Beautiful. Oh, so you can see the tree ended up being a little rosy gold fantasy. I used my most favorite ornaments in the world. Gold ornaments, gold ribbon, gold everything. Oh, this is obviously the best corner of the house. My beautiful tall trees, I got those just doubling up in the corner there. My beautiful little babies. Hi guys. Oh. Truly a fairy tale. My little flower arrangements. So the lights on this half of this went out. That's unfortunate. But this is my little mantle garland, nutcracker, my Herod's bear. Wow, absolutely giving. This is literally so beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, I love it. La 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 la. Now for the grand finale. The most elaborately decorated room of all. My bedroom. My dream corner Christmas tree with a bra on it. But what if it does? Oh, wow. We'll go out here for the outro. Oof, I was stronger, Jesus. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. Followed me out here. Hi, you want to be in the outro, baby? From the top of the world, XO. Ooh, Jesus Christ. My depth perception. Y'all almost just watched me eat shit. Okay.